Jake?
How we doing, sir?
You're doing wonderful. I want to touch on something just a little bit different than what we discussed earlier. I had the warranty registration up here. Please fill out your warranty registration when you get the product. Please do that. That way you have your extended warranty, you have your lifetime warranty or your 5-year warranty, depending on which application this is going on. Please just fill it out. It's easy. I know you guys are probably like me. It's the last thing you do. Probably you do this when you read the instructions. All right? So please fill this out. But the reason we're here today is we have a cool tool on here. Go up here under products. Go down here to fuel air separation systems or whichever purchase you made or looking at making. And it's a cool tool right here because we can go down, let's use Class 8. We can click on the Class 8 right here. We can go into, I need to click on it again. I'm not the best at this. But let's say we're going down here and we're going to pick out a PACCAR M13 like we've been running on the fleets and getting excellent results. We've got 2 fleets where we're getting a little over 0.6 of a mile per gallon increase. But at PACCAR MX13, and you know what? We don't care what tune you've done, what injectors you have in it, even if this is a pickup setting, we don't care. We care about the horsepower going out of the engine, okay? Whatever tunes you've done, whatever. So you need to know what horsepower you are. Like this one, it's up to 900 horse. That's one selection. Most of them's up to 600 horse on the pickup trucks, 700 horse, things like that. So pick the horsepower range that your truck is sitting at. And I'm going to insert this. Let's say that it's a stock truck, and let's say we have a Dodge, and we're a stock setting, and we're going to take it up to 700 horse later. You can go with the bigger fuel system now because we'll just be returning more fuel. All right, it's pressure related and flow related, but the pressure relieves when we, where we set it for the setting. And then, like in this one here, it's asking you if you have extra ports in the tank. On a pickup truck, you wouldn't have that, but on a pickup truck, on a semi, you'll have it if you have extra ports to plumb the return line into or not. Yes or no. Answer that, and then it tells you which FASS system right here to purchase, what the map pricing is. Right here, it tells you everything right here. It gives you product details. It also tells you which fuel line kit for that semi application. Okay, right here, it gives you the options right there. It makes it real easy, and you can add it to your cart right then. And if you purchase from here, it's going to reward this to the dealer that's closest to you that's stocking this product. All right, so this is cool. Now, we have some cool things that's getting ready. We're going to tease you with. We have a bunch of videos we're going to shoot today, so you need to subscribe to Top Tier Suspensions, FASS Motorsports, Deviant Race Parts to see these videos, okay? And we have some neat product coming out, Jake. You've really been stepping on the throttle, getting things coming out. And yeah, it's educational, but it's fun, isn't it?
That's right, it is.
All right, what else do you have to say for this?
All right, so like you mentioned, we have stuff coming out on Top Tier Suspensions and FASS Motorsports. The links to those videos are down below. If you want to hit those channels, be sure to subscribe. Tons of cool stuff coming out.
All right, yeah. See, he knows all those details. I just know what we do here. I don't know how to market, so.
That's all right. If you want to watch all the cool stuff, be sure to subscribe.